Good morning, blooming birds.
Today we discuss one interesting topic, price line or budget line. Budget line is essential to determine the consumer's equilibrium. We already learned a higher indifference curve shows a higher level of satisfaction than a lower one. Therefore, a consumer in his attempt to maximize his satisfaction will try to reach the highest possible indifference curve. We can examine the price line. Firstly, we have to see definition of the budget line or price line. A budget line is the real purchasing power with which he can purchase quantities of two goods given their prices. Students, observe here, particular combination of the two goods on IC depends on two factors. One is money income of the consumer. Second thing is prices of the two goods. The concept of price line or budget line can be clearly understood with the following example. Students, observe here this example clearly. Suppose the consumer has income of rupees 100. He want to buy two goods. For example, we take here two goods prices. Two goods are X and Y, maybe apple and banana. Prices of X and Y are rupees 20 and rupees 10 respectively. Then the following are the opportunities available before him. He has only 100 rupees. If the consumer spends his total amount of rupees 100 on X, only he gets 5 units of X and none of Y. If he spends the whole of his money on Y only, he gets 10 units of Y and none of X. But the consumer wants to have both X and Y, and therefore he will be on price line at other than P and L points. A budget line shows all those combinations of two goods which the consumer can buy with the given money income at their given prices. This example shown here in the graphical expression. Students, observe here in the graph, given the prices and the income of the consumer, if he wants to spend whole of his income on Y, then he could get OP units of Y. On the other hand, if the consumer wants to spend all his income on good X, he could get OL units of X. If that consumer spend his all the money, any point outside the given price line like H will be beyond the consumer's capacity. And here we will see another point, capital K. Capital K shows underspending by the consumer. See here, PL is the price line or budget line. Now you clearly understood the concept of budget line. You know now how a consumer thinking on his spending. Conclusion of this concept is, in consumer budget, the graphical representation of all such bundles which cost the consumer exactly his money income is called the budget line. The equation of the budget line is, therefore, price of first good X plus price of second good Y is equal to income. Students, we can learn a new topic in next lesson. Thank you.